The book, The Psychology of Money. Timeless Lessons on Wealth, Greed, and Happiness by Morgan Housel offers valuable insights into how people think about money and make financial decisions. The book focuses not on technical investment strategies, but on the behaviors, emotions, and psychological factors that influence our financial choices. Housel distills complex financial concepts into relatable stories and simple lessons that apply to everyone, from seasoned investors to those just beginning their financial journey. Key themes and lessons from The Psychology of Money. The role of luck and risk. One of the central ideas in the book is recognizing the role of luck and risk in financial success. Housel argues that success in life and finance often depends as much on factors beyond our control, such as timing and external circumstances, as on skill or intelligence. He uses examples like Bill Gates, who had unique access to a computer during his formative years, and others who were just as smart but less fortunate in timing. The lesson here is to stay humble about success and compassionate toward those who face setbacks. 2. Compounding and patience. The book emphasizes the importance of time and compounding in building wealth. Housel illustrates how legendary investor Warren Buffett's fortune is not just due to his stock-picking skills, but also because he started investing at a young age and let compounding work for decades. This underscores the importance of starting early and staying invested over the long term, even when short-term market fluctuations create fear and uncertainty. 3. Behavioral biases and emotional decision-making. Human beings are not always rational when it comes to money. Housel explores various psychological biases, such as confirmation bias, loss aversion, and overconfidence, which often lead people to make poor financial decisions. By understanding these tendencies, readers can learn to recognize their own biases and adopt strategies to counteract them. The importance of personal financial goals. Housel highlights that personal finance is personal. What works for one person might not work for another. People have different goals, risk tolerances, and definitions of success. He encourages readers to define their own financial objectives rather than trying to mimic the strategies of others. This personalized approach helps individuals avoid unnecessary stress and make decisions aligned with their unique circumstances. 5. Wealth versus richness. Another key lesson is distinguishing between being rich and being wealthy. Housel explains that being rich means having a high income, while being wealthy means having financial assets that provide freedom and flexibility. True wealth, he argues, is the ability to control your time and do what you want when you want, a concept that resonates deeply in a world where many people feel trapped by financial obligations. 6. The value of saving. The book stresses the importance of saving money, regardless of income level. Housel points out that saving is not just about earning a high salary, but about maintaining a gap between income and expenses. Living below one's means and consistently saving creates a financial cushion that provides security and opportunities. 7. The illusion of control. Housel challenges the common belief that we can predict or control the future. He argues that the financial world is inherently uncertain, and trying to time the market or predict economic trends is often futile. Instead, he advocates for a strategy of resilience, preparing for a range of possible outcomes rather than betting everything on one prediction. 8. The power of humility and flexibility. The book encourages readers to adopt a mindset of humility and flexibility. Housel emphasizes the importance of being willing to change your mind when new information becomes available. Financial success often requires adapting to changing circumstances and learning from mistakes. 9. The role of stories in financial decision-making. Humans are natural storytellers, and the stories we tell ourselves about money can significantly influence our financial behavior. Housel explains that these narratives are shaped by personal experiences, cultural influences, and social norms. By becoming aware of these stories, individuals can challenge unhelpful beliefs and make more rational financial decisions. 10. Money and happiness. Housel explores the complex relationship between money and happiness. While money can buy comfort and security beyond a certain point, its ability to increase happiness diminishes. He argues that the most valuable things money can buy are time, freedom, and peace of mind. By focusing on these aspects, people can use money to improve their overall well-being. The Psychology of Money offers timeless lessons that go beyond traditional financial advice. The book encourages readers to cultivate a healthy relationship with money. Thank you so much, guys.